guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review. You got it right here in my hands. We are looking at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and this is a brand new case I just got from Speck. This is the Presidio Stay Clear. Let's get it on, check it out. Now, you guys know how I love my clear cases, and this one is no exception. Speck is a phenomenal case company. They've been making great cases for years. I want you to go by and check them out. I'll leave a link below to this case so you can go do that. This case right here up front says it's 8-foot drop tested. Two layers of protection, stay clear technology. This case is not supposed to discolor. You know how some of those cases, they actually turn a yellowish color. This one is not supposed to fade in the sun, not supposed to change that yellowish color. And it has raised bezels and 2 layers of protection. So let's get it on and let's check it out. So right away, it's a tough case. Let's get it on and see how it looks on this phone. All right, there we go. It's on the phone and it looks really good. It feels good in the hand. It is slippery. Now that is my only issue with it as of now. All right, I'm pressing. Okay, let's do this again. Press. Click, double click for the camera. Okay, so buttons are not as responsive. There we go. It worked that time. Buttons are not as responsive as they could be. Maybe it's just because it's a really hard plastic. I'm gonna open it up. Pressing my volume. Yeah, maybe you have to break it in a little bit, but these buttons are not as responsive at first. Okay. Buttons just, I guess it's tough. It's a tough plastic. Maybe the buttons aren't as responsive because of that. Let's turn it over. Edges, nice and thick. So if you drop it on the edge, you got a lot of protection. On the bottom, all of our cutouts match up really nice. Charging port, headphone jack, speaker and mic over here. Camera, let's see if we can get it. Sits down in that nice recess right there as not to get damaged. And you got a lip right there. So when you drop it face first, screen does not get damaged at all. So my thoughts on this case is, first off, power button is not as responsive as it should be. Protection is all the way around. I got to give them that. It's a great company. It's a great build of a case. Screen protection is there. I just wish that these buttons were more responsive. Now, I have the Presidio grip. It's made by Speck as well. This one is awesome. Power button. Everything is tactile, functional on here. But this one has the same protection. It's going to give you that nice shine. You're going to be able to see that phone, whatever color you have. But the buttons are not as tactile. So, do I recommend this case, the Presidio Stay Clear? It's a little iffy. It may take some time to break these buttons in. Like I said, it is a hard plastic. But these cases are going to run you every bit of $30. I'm not sure if you want to spend $30 on this slippery case that has buttons that are not as tactile as they should be. So this is a no-go for me. I love my clear cases, but this one for now is not going to be it for me. I'm going to stick with something with more grip. Still a Speck, but I just like the grip and the feel, and it's not going to move when you slide it. This one's going to slide right across the table. This case doesn't. Has a grip. That one goes right across. So I hope this is able to help someone out. Like I said, this has been the review of the Presidio Stay Clear by Speck for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. They also make this for the S10e and the S10. So I'm going to leave a link below if you want to go check it out. Please do so. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.